What if I tell you about a stock which delivered 43% CAGR in last 5 years and has over 95% market share in its industry? I'm not kidding. This is the mind-blowing reality of this unlifted giant. Hello and welcome all. आज हम बात करेंगे इंडिया की मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के बारे में। और अगर आप एक इन्वेस्टर हैं जो अपॉर्चुनिटी की तलाश में है तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहिए एंड वी विल हेल्प यू विद 5 metrics to understand NSE from which you will be able to make an informed financial decision. So let's get started. NSE की शुरुआत 1992 में हुई थी जब लोग ओपन आउटक्राई सिस्टम के थ्रू ट्रेड्स प्लेस करते थे, लेकिन NSE ने टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल किया और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्क्रीन बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम लॉन्च किया। इसके साथ साथ उसने ट्रांजैक्शन फी भी कम रखी और ईयर 2000 में डेरिवेटिव सेगमेंट लॉन्च किया which led it to completely capture and dominate द FNO स्पेस। ये हम उसके FY25 क्वार्टर 3 के रिजल्ट्स में भी देख सकते हैं, जहां NSE witnessed a positive quarter and quarter growth, whereas BSE saw a fall of -30% in its EBITDA, PAT and EPS. Not only this, NSE की past performance भी काफी अच्छी रही है, जहां it saw its revenue growing from ₹6,202 crore in FY 2021 to ₹19,706 crore in FY 2025 with a CAGR of 34%, and we expect it to reach around 47,000 crore by FY 28. Even PAT grew from ₹3,573 crore to ₹12,717 crore with a CAGR of 88% and is expected to reach 24,000 crore in the next 3 years. Meanwhile, NSE ने अपने शेयर होल्डर्स को खुश रखने के लिए डिविडेंड भी अच्छा दिया, with the latest being ₹90 per share as per its annual report FY24. Here are some key financial ratios for NSE which you can check. मैं जानता हूँ इन्वेस्टर्स क्या सोच रहे हैं। PE FY21 में NSE का PE 30x था, जो FY23 में ड्रॉप होके 23x पहुंच गया, लेकिन as per FY25 the PE stands at 36x. But here's the interesting part. अगर आप FY21 में NSE में 10 लाख रुपीस इन्वेस्ट करते तो वो आज 43.5% CAGR से ग्रो करके रुपीस 42 lakhs बन जाता, showcasing NSE's growth and opportunity. We ran a scenario analysis on the basis of EPS and PE to help investors get an idea of their investment returns in the next 3 years. Check this out. If you take the best case, your investment could reach around rupees 18 lakhs. If you look at the worst case, your investment could still reach around rupees 13 lakhs and it can reach close to rupees 15 lakhs if we go with the base case. If you are looking to invest in NSE share, you can visit SharesCart, which is a platform designed for buying and selling of unlisted shares. As on 24th March 2025, the stock price is trading at rupees 1680 rupees per share. जब कंपनी इतनी अच्छी है तो बैकिंग भी स्ट्रांग होगी। टॉप 10 शेयर होल्डर्स में LIC है जिसने 10% से ज्यादा शेयर होल्ड करे हैं, अरांडा इन्वेस्टमेंट ने 5% और SBI कैपिटल ने 4.33% शेयर होल्ड करा है। As per its annual report of FY24, the shareholding distribution shows 42% shares are held by FPIs. And at last, the global positions and milestones it achieved in FY24. NSE is the #1 derivative exchange globally since last 4 years, even ahead of New York Stock Exchange in terms of trade volume. It is the second largest equity exchange in terms of trade volume, has 11 crore unique registered investors, had the highest number of IPOs in Asia with 268 companies raising nearly 167 lakh crore via IPO listing, and the first clearing corporation in India to get AAA rating by CRISIL. Starting 24th March 2025, NSE shares can be credited to a user's account just few days instead of 2 to 4 months, which was the case earlier. अब इस स्टॉक में लिक्विडिटी बढ़ेगी और NSE की आने वाली IPO को भी एक बूस्ट मिलेगा। तो if you are a long-term investor and looking for an investment opportunity, you can consider NSE's unlisted shares, which offers a unique proposition to its investors. How much are you expecting its share price to reach by the end of this year? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel ShareStart for more such in-depth company analysis. Thank you for watching. Happy investing.